Good afternoon. The subject name is Design Analysis and Algorithm, and the unit first is Fundamental of Algorithm. The first point from that unit is algorithmic thinking. Then, what is algorithmic thinking? It is an essential analytical skill for solving any problem. It provides strategy to get the solution to a problem. It is highly needed in the development of effective computer program to solve computational problems. Means to solve any problem, to solve any computer problem, we need uh, we need some basic steps. Our next point is what is algorithm? What is algorithm? An algorithm is a finite set of unambiguous steps needed to be followed in a certain order to accomplish a specific task. What is mean by unambiguous? Unambiguous means clear steps. Algorithm is nothing but to solve any problem, just process need a process of that problem. Algorithms provide a precise description of the procedure to be followed in a certain order to solve a well-defined computational problem. Then, characteristics of algorithm. The characteristics of algorithm, first one is input. An algorithm has zero or more inputs. Algorithm has zero or more inputs. Each instructions which contain a fundamental operator must accept zero or more inputs. Which are the fundamental operators? Fundamental operators are nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, etc. Okay. Then next characteristics is output. An algorithm produce at least one output. Algorithm produce at least one output. Every instruction which contain a fundamental operator must accept zero or more inputs. Then third one is definiteness. All instructions in an algorithm must be unambiguous, precise, and easy to interrupt. By referring any of the instruction in algorithm, one can clearly understand what is to be done. Every fundamental operator in instruction must be defined without any ambiguity. Then fourth characteristics is finiteness. Every instruction which contains a fundamental operator must be terminated within a finite amount of time. Then fifth one is effectiveness. Any algorithm must be developed by using very basic, simple and feasible operations so that one can trace it out by using just paper and pencil. Our next point is algorithm as a technology. Computing time and memory space are limited resources, so we should use them sensibly. It is achieved by the uses of efficient algorithms that need less space and time. The same problem can be solved by different algorithms. Such algorithms exhibit radical differences in their efficiency. Many times, these variances are much more significant than those due to runtime environment. Then, next is evaluation of algorithm. Evaluation of algorithm means how algorithm can develop. An algorithm is precisely defined self-contained sequence of instruction needed to complete particular job. We can easily say algorithm is a instruction of set. What algorithm is? Instruction of set. The term algorithm is attributed to precision mathematician, scientist and astronomer Abu Abdullah Muhammad Ibn Musam al-Huzari. His name was translated in a Latin as algorithmic, from which the word algorithm was coined. Many algorithm strategies were proposed like divide and conquer, decrease and conquer, greedy method, dynamic programming, backtracking, branch and bound, etc. Then next is a stages in a problem solving. The first stage is identifying the problem. Identifying the problem means what? To get the solution of any real world problem, we must truly understand the problem and its constraint described in a natural language. Second is designing a computational or mathematical model. It presents the abstraction of real world problem. It removes unnecessary and irrelevant data from the problem description and simplify it to get precise computational model. The next is a data organization. The essential data to solve the problem must be organized effectively. We should select an appropriate data. We should select an appropriate data structure to store the necessary data. Data organization means what? Suppose we have a problem. Like we have to add two numbers. We have to simply add two numbers. For that problem, what we want two numbers. Okay, we want two numbers from user. That actually needed in the data organization. Then next is a algorithmic design. Next point is algorithmic design. By analyzing the problem, we should design a finite set of unambiguous steps to get the solution. Then fifth one is algorithm specification. Fifth one is what? Algorithmic specification. It is the way of describing algorithmic steps for programmer. Generally, these steps are written in the form of pseudocode and conveyed to the programmer. Next is the algorithm validation. Next is algorithm validation. After defining these algorithmic steps, we should validate our logic. It checks whether the algorithm produces correct output in a finite amount of time for all legal tests. Then, seventh one is analysis of algorithm. Analysis of algorithm. The performance of correct algorithm is analyzed and its efficiency is checked by considering different performance metrics like uses of memory, time, etc. Then eighth one is algorithm verification. Eighth one is algorithm verification. The correctness and the efficiency of algorithm for all legitimate inputs are verified through mathematical proof. Then ninth one is implementation. By referring the specification of verified algorithm, a correct computer program is written using specific programming language and technology. And the last one is testing and debugging. The computer program written for specific algorithm is executed on a machine. It is tested for all legitimate inputs and is debugged to trace the expected workflow. Performance of algorithm is tested by experimentation result. These are the stages in a problem solving. Then our next point is design of algorithm. Designing is an efficient algorithm to solve a computational problem is a skill that needs good algorithmic thinking. A good algorithm design needs knowledge of mathematics, then discrete mathematics, numerical methods for simulation and modeling, computer programming language, data structure and file handling, computer organization and architecture, database management system, and system programming. A good algorithm should possess 5 major characteristics: input, output, definiteness, finiteness, and effectiveness. The same problem can be answered by different algorithmic strategies. These algorithmic solutions may differ in a requirement of computing resources. Thank you.